While I'm here on the sale from the 13th of January 21, go over these auction results report here that's available. So I searched for today's date, start date, and the end date. Same as copy and paste if you're using a case number. Case ID, I would imagine they're going by here. Got your columns here for the results, shows you your fees and the winning bidders or the certificate number, and then winning bidder here. So parcel number. Imagine you can drag these. I want to see the whole parcel number. You see less. This one here could be a little smaller, but anyway, we're gonna go over here. The next case number, certificate number. You head over here. A bidder number. So that's a good way to search, see who's buying what. With the bidder numbers. You could search by parcel number here, and then it was sold to all, sold to the plaintiff, sold to the certificate holder, third party bidder. So we tell you could use that, and then you could also filter on I did not win and I won, or none. So filter by both of those, and then your case type set for tax deed, auction type. You could have all, foreclosure, or tax deed. This was set to tax deed. So if you didn't have your settings right here, you may not get your proper auction results report. So good to go through those and see what's on there. It's a little over to the left here, but and then they have a reset here, and then once you got it set up, search report, and if nothing shows up, then figure out what you did wrong, right? Just want to go through that while we're here.